up, RedTop gang? RTG coming at you high like an RPG. Yo, I all through my comments since this shit probably dropped. When it dropped, I guess about 2 weeks ago. Hey, you have to check out Silk Sonic's Love Train Billboard Music Awards. They've been commenting BBMA. I didn't know what that shit was. I was like, I don't know what BBMA is, but it's Billboard Music Awards. So I guess they did Love Train live on this show. So you already know. Huge Silk Sonic fan, Bruno Anderson and the Hooligans. I believe that's the name of the band. I don't know if they changed the name because the Hooligans was Bruno's band. I know they both have bands, but let's go. Let's see what the fuss is about. Let it rock. Let it rock. Bring it on. Hey, someone was in the comments, man. There was like, when I said it's my first time watching, this is my first time watching Silk Sonic's, what I call it, BBMA 2022 Music Awards. They were like, well, your first time watching it was when you did the album reaction. Who doesn't know by now that and y'all didn't get to see it, so I'm gonna bring it all the way back. Their album, the shit that they do live is totally different from the album. They add in different little intricate type shit. They have their little dances. The Let's Rock, they definitely wasn't saying no shit like that on the album. So this is my first time viewing this. It's a first time view. I'm not checking out no damn what's the fuck the shit called? I'm not pulling up no lyrics. We're watching it. We're gonna get what we get and get it how we get it, and that's just how it gets. I bought it back since y'all didn't have the video up. The boy, I mean, swagging. Hey, hold up. You get Bruno and Anderson right there, but these two on the end, they out there swagging with it, ain't they? Man, to the left over here, we hit a real deal. Hold up, man. That's too. It's already really too far. Oh, they stepping. Let's bring it on them. Hold on. Hey, big step in this one. Oh, they stepping on this one. Hey, they've stepped on a lot of these, but they stepping on this one right now. Oh no, they stepping. Oh, it may hit a step back slide over there. Oh, okay, he hit that thing. Hey, that I don't know who that nigga is to the far left, but that he said that thing hit that he hit the step with it, that boom boom. Like, hold up, man, hold up. You's taking over there. Right here. Stepping on the beat. That wasn't on the album. That was not on the album. He hit me. I'm like, what? Bet you do. But I turned to stepping. Hold up, Bruno. Stepped in. Got the, oh. Sometimes heartstrings can't be broken, but you just have to keep it on going. That's the way it goes on the last. They got the little what was that? They was called the pop top. The pop top. I'd always call it the pop. They'd be like, and just a little pop with it. They hit the little pop top there. They hit the pop top. Hey, hit it in a circle. Oh man, hold up. That was fire. With the ring-a-lang. Oh shit. Did it? Oh, that's too fire. Oh, let's go back the other way. Reverse spin. Uh-oh. Drop the panties. Uh-oh. Don't touch the hand. Oh. This shit's crazy. Hey, hold on. Hey, is Anderson stepping? Did he hit the... You showing off now, Bruno. You showing off. What you trying to show off the stroll? What you trying to entice something in the front of the crowd? They hit the... You already got the vocals. Uh-oh. Yeah, that was fine. I see why y'all can't record. requested that thing. That had to be like every time I drop something. Like, man, when are you gonna check out the BBMAs? I see why they was stepping on that one. Like I said, they've stepped on like all their shit, but they was stepping. It's like they're getting into the groove. I hope we get another album. That would be too good. That would be dope. Hope we get another album. Y'all let me know what y'all think. If I missed anything else, y'all let me know down in the comments as well. RedTop, we out. Peace.